Here's a new 2019 Chevrolet Silverado 2500HD. Projecting strength and durability and built to back it up. This Silverado 2500HD is definitely one book you can judge by its cover. And with features like these, every drive is a pleasure. Bluetooth streaming audio, Chevrolet 4G LTE Wi-Fi hotspot, front heated leather split bench seats, auto dimming rearview mirror, remote engine start, dual zone climate control, automatic transmission, trailer brake controller, electronic shift on the fly, and power heated mirrors. Kelley Blue Book explains, whether purchasing for commercial construction, agriculture, or recreational towing, if your needs are truly heavy duty, you will likely find those needs met with the Chevrolet Silverado HD, which offers all of the virtues with few of the vices normally associated with a heavy duty truck. Chevy, 100 years of icons. You'll never know until you try. Test drive it today.
Hall Automotive. More cars. Great people. Hall Chevrolet Chesapeake, a MileOne company, is minutes off I-264 or I-664. Easy to get to from all of Hampton roads.